Curious about what went on in real estate last month? For the Vancouver Island Real Estate Board as a whole, we ended February with some gains in listings. There were 937 active single-family home listings at the end of February. This is an improvement from 345 in 2022, but is still lower than what we need to see for a balanced market. We recorded the sale of 220 single-family homes. This is a 37% decrease from 2022, but is 33% over January. 64 apartments changed hands in February. This is a 40% decrease from last year, but is up 52% compared to last month. In the townhome category, excuse me, in the townhome category, 50 sales were reported. This is a 44% decrease from 2022, but is up 39% from January. Inventory levels are making some gains, but overall they still need to come up. While homes are staying on the market for a bit longer before selling, the current market is still tipped in favor of sellers. Now let's dive into the numbers for Nanaimo. For single-family homes, we had 102 new listings. 60 sales were recorded. This is down from 64 new listings in January and 101 last year. There were 201 active listings at the end of the month. At the end of January, we had 205 listings, and at this time last year, there were 93 active listings. The average sale price was $793,790, and homes on average were selling for about 97.4% of the listed price and took 49 days to sell. Last year, single-family homes took 12 days to sell and sold for almost 109% of the listed price. Looking up at apartments, we had 52 new listings, and at the end of February, there were 71 active listings. There were 57 listings at the end of January, and a year ago there were 31. There were 17 sales reported, and in January there were only 12 sales, and last year there were 38. Apartments on average sold for 97.5% of the list price and took on average 30 days to sell. Last February, these were selling for 106% of the listed price and took roughly the same time to sell. In the townhome category, we had 18 units listed, and the active listing count at the end of the month was 45. In January, we had 24 new listings and ended up with 38 active listings. Last February, we had 36 new listings and closed off with 19 active listings. February saw 8 sales, and the average sale price was $506,250, and the average days on market was 16. Sale prices were about 97.4% of the listing price. The year before, the average sale price was $631,239, and the sale price was almost 109% of the listing price, and the average days on market was 17. Contact me if you have any questions regarding your specific area or are thinking of buying or selling a home. This is Joseph Go, your go-to guy for real estate on Vancouver Island.